Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some unforgettable short hairstyle ideas. Here we have this icy pixie style, lovely platinum bright blonde color. She looks absolutely amazing with this hairstyle. And then we move into a big chop transformation. So the stylist cuts off these ponytails and turns the hair into a chic tousled bob style. Very nice. Now, you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have a color transformation. Oh wow, look at this mint green ombre coloring. Bit of a dip dyed in look for this gorgeous bob, very nice. And then we move into a pixie haircut. This one features a nice undercut with it. Gorgeous, absolutely stunning pixie haircut. I love how she has the red lip here with this look as well. So polished and sophisticated. And then we move into another trendy hair idea. Modern mullet style. I love the orange color. So cute. Lots of texture with that style as well. And then we see a pixie cut with bangs in the front. Bit of a tail going there in the back, which is a very hot hair trend that we're seeing as well. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation or hairstyle in today's video is your favorite. Mine is definitely this ombre mint green bob. So breathtaking. Next up, we have another hair transformation. Very chic pixie style. Loving all the curls and waves. So pretty. Next up, we have a cut and color transformation. Wow, look at this pixie. Oh, that is some gorgeous color work. So bold and vibrant, very unique style. And then we have another color change. Chocolate brown, shoulder length bob. Nice, simple, and chic. And then we move into another gorgeous transformation. So she starts off with mid-length hair, chops the hair into this blue bob style. Absolutely incredible. Then we see someone with long copper hair. Wow. Oh, this is so beautiful. Love this pixie style undercut. She does have the asymmetrical shape, and of course she went with like a strawberry blonde. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.